If you build your life around the weekend, this is for you. Introducing the CUV Lift Kit range for the Forester, Outback, Crosstrek, and RAV4. These lift kits were built with the daily driver in mind, so whether you're driving to work or on the trail, Whiteline Performance has you covered. Okay, I'm here with the Whiteline product manager, Joel, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on with this new lift kit.
Yeah, so at Whiteline, we noticed a trend in the industry. A lot of the OEMs are offering their own off-road, trail-ready versions of their popular CUV models. And at Whiteline, we always think we can do things better. Our Whiteline lift kits are designed, developed, and engineered in Australia, partnering with King Springs.
And the beautiful thing about this suspension kit is that there's no fabrication involved, no adjustment. You just bolt these on the car and you're ready for the trail.
It's a fully engineered solution and includes everything you need to maintain your suspension geometry. These CUV lift kits are perfect for the owners that are looking to do everyday tasks like picking up groceries and getting the trails on the weekends.
This is a perfect balance of comfort and performance. So whether you just like to drive to work or drop the kids off at soccer practice or hit the trails on the weekend, this is the kit that you need for your car. So tell me, Joel, why did we start making lift kits for the CUVs?
While there certainly are more capable off-road vehicles, these CUVs offer a sweet spot in terms of performance for both daily driving and off-road capabilities.
So you know what I really love about these CUVs is that they're small, they're nimble, they're easy to navigate on the trail, a lot easier than, you know, some of the other like bigger, more burly off-road stuff you see out there. This lift kit on this car is amazing because my car is a little more aggressive. It's built more for spirited driving and it's a little more race oriented, but this is excellent for the daily driver, someone who just wants to hit the trail on the weekends. It's really soft, really comfortable. I mean, this feels amazing. We're going down the trail right now and it feels like a stock car. I don't feel like I'm bouncing through the seat or, you know, having a rough ride. It's really nice. So when you're choosing a suspension kit, there are a million different options. You can go spacer lift kit, OEM style lift and spring, a full-blown coilover, but you gotta be mindful that all of these suspension kits do different things. If comfort is something that's important to you, you know, an OEM style strut and spring is probably the way to go. That's what most people do on these cars. With these OEM style kits, you throw it on, you're good to go. You can drive down the freeway comfortably and go right onto the trail and do your thing. They're great. Yeah, look at the way it's handling these obstacles. It's no problem at all. With a lift kit like this, you can get out here and go down these rocky trails and feel comfortable that you're not gonna break anything. It's gonna be a pretty comfortable ride. I'm just having fun driving this car. Alrighty, Joel, so what's next in store for this Whiteline range of products?
Yeah, so this is only just the start. We're looking to do more vehicles like the Forester, the Outback, the Ascent, going back as many models as we can.
Alrighty, you guys, so be on the lookout for all these new Whiteline suspension products and I'll see you on the trail.